Craving comfort food? This cheesy chicken rigatoni pasta bake is easy, hearty, and perfect for any night of the week. For this recipe, we'll need chicken, diced onions, peeled garlic cloves, sun-dried tomatoes, salt, pepper, nutmeg, red pepper chili flakes, Italian seasoning, Parmesan, ricotta, shredded mozzarella, chicken stock, olive oil, your favorite red sauce, and rigatoni. Listed here are the ingredients, so pause if you need to write them down. In a medium to large mixing bowl, take your pound of chicken and place it inside. Add a few pinches of salt, sprinkle in some black pepper, top with Italian seasoning and red pepper chili flakes. Hand mix and give it a nice, loving massage. You want a nice, even spread of seasoning throughout your chicken, something that looks a lot like this. In a large pan, set the heat to medium-high and add in your olive oil. In an even layer, place your chicken down and spread it throughout the pan. I like to start at the edge and work to the center, as the center is usually slightly hotter. Set a timer for 15 minutes and turn the chicken occasionally as you cook. Now, let's set that chicken on the side as we begin to prepare our tomato paste. In a food processor, place your sun-dried tomatoes and peeled garlic. Start with a few short pulses to get it started, eventually revving up until everything is finely minced. Take your paste out and place it on the side. We're going for a consistency that looks something like this. After your chicken is cooked for 15 minutes, take your diced onions and add them to the pan. Take your tomato garlic paste and add that on top. Give it a good mix and toss and cook for an additional 4 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Next, take your chicken broth and add it to the pan. I like to then take a wooden spatula and scrape off any brown bits, allowing the steam from the broth to do most of the work. Bring the broth to a boil and then top off with your favorite red sauce. Give it a little mix to spread throughout. Top with nutmeg and mix again. Let this simmer on medium-low to low heat for 15 to 20 minutes. While the magic's working, let's make our pasta. Using a medium pot filled with water, add in a generous portion of salt. I'm doing about 4 to 5 large pinches. Don't worry, as most of the salt goes down the drain. Bring it to a boil and add in the rigatoni. Cook to about 2 minutes under al dente, which for this pasta is roughly 8 to 9 minutes. Drain and set on the side. Now that our sauce is reduced, add in about half a cup of ricotta and give it a good mix until it's blended together with our sauce. Once fully combined, turn the heat off and be sure to taste and add any seasonings that you think are missing. In a 9 by 13 inch baking dish, add your rigatoni evenly to the bottom layer. Next, take the sauce and spread it evenly over the top. Be sure to completely cover and smother the noodles. Top with a layer of mozzarella. I'm using the whole bag here as I love cheese, but you can use less if you'd like. Place it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 425 degrees. For the final touches, add a healthy layer of Parmesan cheese. Top with freshly chopped Italian parsley for a fresh pop, and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and until the next time, have a good day.